Hey, I'm back. So if you couldn't tell, the TV's off the wall. That's because the TV's old and I don't even know if it works. So it's from a 2008. Take this bracket off and take the bracing bar off, and then reinforce this whole area so that way I can put a standard mount behind it, and then get this larger TV in here. This is going to be a 50-inch that goes the entire length and probably covers up all the trim. But it's going to be much bigger and it's going to look also much better. Yeah, this awful TV thing in here, that's also going to go. So, anyways, project. This is just really thin boards. They're just barely stapled in. So the entire structural part goes from side to side. It only attaches to this little 1x board. And as you can see, I'm making some progress here. Got the trim pieces off the wall. So now it looks like this. Obviously it's supposed to be as lightweight as you can because it's in the slide out of a camper. But this thing is the only thing that's gonna hold your TV in place, and not very well. All right, I got this all braced up. Used an old board I had. It's a little bit bigger than a 2x, and cut it down to length. So I just got to put on the decorative trim plates back up on here and staple those in place, and then put the TV back up. Get some nice thick mount right there and screwed it in a bunch. And I removed a lot of extra wires from the previous owner. I had a bunch of coaxial wires just dangling around everywhere, some adapters and stuff. And I got those pulled out and out of the way.